Welcome back to another home tour of a brand new custom home right here in Nashville, Tennessee. I think you're gonna like this one. This one is beautiful. We are in Sylvan Heights here. Sylvan Heights is very close to downtown. You're right next to Sylvan Park, which has a lot of restaurants, Edley's Barbecue, Neighbors, good food there. Cafe Nona is right there. Just ate there the other day and it's a great Italian spot. A lot of local people hang out in this area, which is why I enjoy being over here. But you're not that far from downtown. You're not that far from 440, which is the loop, the interstate loop that takes you all the way around the city. So great access from here. This street specifically is, you can probably see behind me, there's a home being built right there. So there's a lot of smaller homes on this street and in this area, but a lot of them are being torn down and they're building brand new custom homes like the one that we're going to tour today. So an interesting street. I'll be interested to know what you think about a neighborhood like this. Would you pay this price for a home in this neighborhood yet? You know, I'd love to hear your feedback. So let's get into the features of this home. You're looking at 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, 4,500 square feet. Beautiful home. You have, it's all brick on the outside, painted white as you'll see. 3-car garage, two on one side and then one straight ahead in the driveway. You have just quartz countertops, hardwood floors. I love the floors in here and I love the high ceilings and open space. This one, you don't have much of a backyard. I'd be curious to hear what you think about that. You have a little area that we'll check out, which is a fire pit right there. So you at least have that, but you know, city life, you have some of these lots are just going to be smaller the closer you get into the city. Can't wait to show this one to you. And I'm Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. If this is the first time to my channel, we're out here every single week looking for custom, unique homes for people just like you. So put us to work. We love getting out here, finding the diamonds in the rough for people, finding exactly what you're looking for. Fill out that questionnaire in the description and my team will get back with you. For now, let's go check this house out. Comment below, let me know what you think about this home here in Sylvan Heights. This is the little fire pit in the backyard here, so private here. You do have some homes around you. Obviously you see that house back there. So this is definitely more in the city than some of the other homes that we look at, but you're location wise, you're very close to West End, to Vanderbilt, and obviously to get into downtown. So great location. And then obviously Sylvan Park, which has a lot of restaurants, bars, a lot of locals hang out in that area. So it's not as touristy as some other places closer to downtown. So hope you enjoyed this tour. And again, as much as we love making these videos, we love even more helping people find their next homes right here in Tennessee. Put us to work for you. Can't wait to meet you. Fill out that description, fill out that questionnaire in the description, and we will reach out to you soon. See you next time on That Nashville Life. Later.